Hot. Sit down and eat like a person. Don't rush. So we run a little late. Not a big deal. Eat like a person. Sit.
Iwan ko kung anong kayamanan yung paghatian.
Good morning, Philippines!
Nila hanggang ngayon hindi. Hello guys, good morning. Pagising ko, ito na yung naabutan ko. Kumain na si Mister. So nagdesisyon akong magluto ng banana bread. And tapos na ang ating banana bread. Ready na, my little boy. He's excited to look. Somebody's excited. Look. Somebody's excited. Somebody's excited. Excited to go. Ang kalikaching. Ang palikaching. Chingka kalikaching. Chingkalikaching. Chingkalikaching. So handsome, oy. Mama said you're ugly, but sometimes your face is ugly. Ito na ang ating banana bread. Good one. Hopefully. We have to leave it for a while. So yun guys, ang tasting natin, ganito ako mag-tasting ng banana bread. Look. Look, ganyan. Okay. Luto na siya guys, kasi wala nang ano. And then, meron tayong rice dito. Look. Ito, iba-iba yung American guys. Kakain sila ng bread. Lalo na itong si Tami. Yung kakainin niya. Kahit anik-anik na lang yung mga. Basta kung anong makain. Wala siyang ano yung ito pang breakfast lang talaga. Wala. Yung tayo, kahit parang Pilipino ba, kakain tayo ng isda, lechon, kahit ano-ano sa breakfast, di ba? Pero parang ako na ano, parang sa akin, kakain man ako ng kahit ano. Pero parang masarap ang bread. Masarap yung egg and then rice. Yun, masarap siya sa breakfast. Fairness guys, kapag magluluto ako ng banana bread, ang sarap. So hinugasan ko lang itong mga ginagamit ko guys kasi plano naming umalis. Kasi maghati-hati daw sila ng kayamanan nila. Charot!
Hot. Sit down and eat like a person. Don't rush. So we run a little late. Not a big deal. Eat like a person. Sit. You know, eat. Don't come out. Look. Sit. Eat like.
I'm choking. I don't have water.
I'll give you water. A person. Don't rush. Sit and
Thank
chat.
you. Thank you. Thank you, love.
Yeah. Stop at the bottom of the driveway. Get the mail.
Oh.
From yesterday.
Okay, let me open the garage. Is the light on supposedly?
Yeah,
Punta lang kami sa isang town guys sa bahay ng kapatid ni Tami. Dito na kami. So naghihintay yung kapatid ni Tami doon sa where's my bag? Oh my god. Gusto ko sanang magtawag noon. Meron akong gustong gawin like bibili ng iano ko yung sarili ko, parang bigyan ko ng regalo yung sarili ko na kasi pero hindi naman ako yung palang materialistic pabili-bili ng mga mahal-mahal na gamit or mga branded or something, okay? Mahirap i-explain kasi gusto kong bigyan yung sarili ko pero nasasayangan ako sa pera. So yun yung problema, sayang ang pera. Ito yung ko, bakit na vlog ko ito kasi nga i-share ko din sa inyo ang iniisip ko kung yung pera na ibibili ko ng bag ibigay ko sa family ko. So ngayon guys, napaisip ako guys, yung ibili ko ng bag, ibigay ko na lang sa family. Parang tuloy ako, nagduha-duha ba? Kasi alam nyo naman yung LV, ang mahal-mahal, di ba? So ngayon naisip ko, LV at masuot ko ba? Magamit ko ba yun? Yung mga 2 MK ko, hindi ko nga nagagamit. Yun, i-share ko lang sa inyo kasi nga, napag ko na, magbibili ba ako ng bag? Kung bibili ako ng bag, anong gagawin guys? Saan bibili? Ay, ang hirap ng pobreng taga-bukid. Walang alam kung anong gagawin. Saan bibili? Kasi meron din akong nakita kasi yung si Sharon Cunita. Dapat daw magpa-appointment. Pili ng bag-appointment. So, yun lang, i-share ko lang sa inyo na napaisip ko na ganun kung anong dapat gawin. Pangalan, ang naisip ko din, pangalan naman yung binibili, yung mga LV, Louis Vuitton ba? Na mga gamit or mga Birkins or kahit ano man yung mga mamahaling gamit na libo-libo kapin, si Timil yung mga presyo, dolyares, diba? So naisip ko din ano ba yan, parang parang may mga knock-off din kasi guys yung mga hindi legit na mga bag. Pero alam nyo, disim lang yun sila guys. Pero alam mo, disim lang yung material. Meron akong nakikita kasi ng mga ganun. So, yun lang. I-share ko lang sa inyo kung comment down below kung anong dapat gawin. Ang mahal kasi ng bag, no? Grabe. Hindi ko maano talaga ng mga ganun. Well, deserve naman din nila or pinaghirapan nila yung pera na gano'n, yung bibili ng mga mamahaling gamit, di ba? So, deserve nila yun, of course. Or, may mga tao din na kahit wala, bili lang dahil nakisabay sa uso. Pero yung iba, bibili sila kasi deserve nila yun. Dahil pinaghirapan nila yung pera. Anyway, andito pa kami guys sa kapatid ni Tami. Nag-ihap pa sila guys sa mga utang. Nag-count pa sila nagbilang pa sila guys ng mga nabayaran ni Mister doon sa kabilang bahay kasi nga hindi pa si Tami nabigyan at hindi pa sila naghati-hati sa kayamanan na iwan ko kung anong kayamanan yung paghatian nila hanggang ngayon hindi pa nahati-hati yung mga kayamanan talaga yung milyonaryo. Yung mga naiwan ni Biyanan ba hindi pa nila nahati. Matagal na guys, 2019 pa ginoo ko. Pero this year lang naman kasi nabenta yung bahay. And then before nila hati-hatiin, si Tami kailangan nilang bayaran. So ngayon andito, ngayon pa talaga. Kung hindi si Tami tumawag, hindi mangyayari ito. So yun. So anyway, so balik ako sa loob and kita-kits tayo mamaya guys. Adoy. Oh, babe. Adoy. Oh, adoy. Okay, come. Take that off, Roxy. Come on, go, Pepe. Come on. Go, Pepe. Kaloka. Hello guys, bago po tayo aalis, maliligo po tayo at saka i-blow dry yung buhok para hindi po tayo magkasakit kasi maginaw sa labas. So ngayon guys, bumibili lang ako ng galunggong para kainin kasi ang sarap. Ito na guys, ang ating galunggong, look. Ang ating galunggong, galingging, lutong-luto na siya, diba? Masarap talaga siya guys kasi matagal ko siyang niluto. Talagang lutong-luto. Okay, it's for Mama Little Boba. Look at his reaction guys. So, tignan niyo his reaction like nang didiri man itong pusa ko guys. Oh, tignan niyo nang didiri. You don't like it? Tignan niyo. That's my food but I will let you have some. Come on. Hello, oy honey. He doesn't like my fish. He really is American, hon. He's not a Filipino boy. You're not a Filipino. Come on, Pipino. Nang didiri. Nang didiri man ako eh. Okay guys, hello. Kakain tayo ng Gigimon. This fish han is Gigi. Gigi fish.
What is Gigi?
Galunggong. It's a galunggong fish. In English, do you know what's in English of galunggong?
I would say we call it bait.
That's how you use for bait, to bait the other thing when you do fishing?
Right. We use that to catch real fish.
So this is a fake fish? Oh my goodness, my hubby. And you don't know the English of galunggong?
No.
Galunggong. Can you say it? Galunggong.
Galunggong is not English.
It's a galunggong. Goodbye headfish. And where's your salad? Are you happy with your food? You got Chinese food. Eat some of them. Hey.
I could.
Oh my God, so good. Oh my God, suka sili, see? Oh my goodness. Simple, it's very simple, but it's so good. You want some? Try some. No, he doesn't really want to try. It's hard, guys. When
I trust Hobby's judgment.
Because if Ito, if Hubs is in the Philippines, is starving. Oh my God. Not even cook. He will eat everything, the bone.
Anybody starving will eat anything.
Yummy. It's really, really good. Honestly.
You say so. I'm gonna get rid of this because get rid of this container.
Ang sarap ng isda. Ganito guys, simple lang siya guys. You know what? Ang ulam ni Tommy is burger. And halahan, he's holding. Halahan, he grabbed my elbow. Oh, Dimples! No, I'm gonna give Dimples. Let's see if she will eat. Make sure that there's no bone in it. Okay. Si Dimples guys, nang hingi. Okay. So, bigyan natin si Dimples without bone. Because this cat can't handle, just like American hubby right here. Can't handle any bone.
Coming from the Filipino who I had to take a plier to pull a bone out of her throat.
Guys, may guys, buto sa ilalim ng tilaukan ko dito sa ilalim. Tommy, get the flyer or a tweezer to grab it guys because it's really poking my skin and it was hurt. Dems, come on Dems, try this Dems. Let's see if Dimple ate the fish. Of course she does. She's my daughter. So, that's really it guys. So, that was an accident. And thankfully, Tommy was here. Kasi, if not, what happened, hon? If not, it will just keep going down, right?
It was deep. Most of the bone was already inside.
Oh my God. It was painful. So much for watching. I-share ko lang sa inyo na sobrang sarap talaga yung GG. Inaisda. Galunggong, iprito. Han. She like it.
Figure that out. Okay.
Oh, she like fish.
No, this container's out. I can do it and not worry about getting them back.
Oh my God, no. Alright, good. Bye.